Alright guys, real quick, I wanted to give you a quick video clip of this car and the exhaust in a place where the exhaust sounds are probably going to be bouncing off the walls. So like, if you look at where I am right now, you can see that this place is pretty much the back of a building, and you know, both sides has walls, so the exhaust sound is it's almost like it's echoing and you hear it louder. So I just want to give you guys a quick video clip. I just did a poll with it and the sound actually surprised me. So let me do it again, and hopefully I'm gonna put the car in competitive mode. I'm gonna do this again, but listen to this, guys. This sounds crazy. This shit sounds crazy. I know a lot of people do burnouts and stuff here. I just noticed, because look at this. You see the floor with the marks? I didn't do that. So people have been definitely doing some shit up in here, man. But let me do one more pass, man. This shit is dope. This is dope. Pause again. Alright, I'm done. I'm getting out of here before they call the cops, bruh. I'm done, boy.